Last May, we released Miui 12. Well, now, you can start getting ready for Miui 12.5. This is an intermediate update based on Miui 12, with focus on system optimizations. In order to deliver an optimized system experience, we've rewritten our entire system UI, reducing core scene memory usage by 20%. In recent tests, CPU usage is reduced by up to 22%, while power consumption is reduced by up to 15%. So, you'll enjoy a lighter, smoother system experience with significantly longer battery life. Take system-level full-screen gestures as an example. In previous systems, gestures and other tasks are rendered on a single thread. This means gestures compete for CPU usage with other apps. With everything competing for CPU usage, opening, closing, or switching between apps may become less smooth and laggier than you'd hope. With Miui 12.5, we've prioritized gestures by rendering a dedicated thread. The advantage here is that gestures won't be competing for CPU resources with other apps. It's like having a dedicated fast lane for gestures, which guarantees instant response. This makes your system experience smoother and faster than ever. Next, we believe our Mi fans are definitely going to be excited about this one. With Miui 12.5, most system apps can be uninstalled. Some app packages are included in the system core, but their icons can be hidden. Compared to other operating systems, Miui 12.5 is as simple as it gets. If you don't want it, uninstall it. The option is yours. And most importantly, our first release schedule. The first batch of devices will receive updates on Q2 of 2021. And for our second wave, we'll be pushing updates on more Xiaomi devices. The release schedule for other devices will be gradually published on our Miui website. So stay tuned.